Hello gamers, and welcome to another Aztecs Gaming Tech video. Let's try to install an M.2 NVMe SSD. This one in particular, 4TB Samsung 990 Pro. We'll talk about slot location and the trouble that location can bring. With that, play the intro. Right, let's tear this PC down once again, strip out the parts to try and install NVMe in the only slot this motherboard has. But before we get to that, let's talk a little bit about the specs of the PC. It has an RX 6800 XT, and what a GPU it is, even in 2026. There's a Navi 21 RDNA 2 GPU, has 4,608 cores, 128 ROPs, 16 gig DDR6 memory over a 256-bit bus, with a base clock of 1825 MHz, gain clock of 2015 MHz, and a boost clock of 2250 MHz. It has 72 RT cores and a few other stats that I won't bore you with. And I have to strip it out because it's where the 4TB Samsung 990 Pro M.2 NVMe SSD will have to slot into. It will end up running it at Gen 3 speeds due to the A320M motherboard, but that's okay. Because Gen 3 speed is still faster than a standard SD. Now, the problem you might be getting due to the slot being directly above the PCI slot for the graphics card is your PCIe lanes. Luckily my CPU allows for 24 lanes. So the 4 lanes that the NVMe will take up isn't going to bottleneck and take away from the GPU PCIe lanes. I'll still get the full 16 there, whereas some CPUs will give you less. So for instance, if you had another slot, you had another NVMe in, then you put that NVMe in, say your CPU gave you 20 lanes, the CPU, not the CPU, sorry, the PCIe lanes will be cut from your GPU if you use the M.2 slot above your GPU. So you'll be getting PCIe at ×8 for your GPU, while 4 lanes go to M.2. But in my case, that's fine. I'll get all 16 lanes and all 4 lanes, as I will only be using those PCIe lanes anyway. So with that, let's get this open up. Okay, so I've got this laying down and opened up. We'll be removing my lovely Lego line stand again. Let's disconnect the cables. Let's undo the screws. Oh, I should have pre-done this. Go, right. Let's pull the GPU out. Nicely. Go. Okay, so hopefully you can see in the case. No, my hard drive's in the way. Trying to show you where. Whoa, here we go. Right, so the lane for the NVMe is here, just there. My GPU goes here. Alright, I need to undo the screw here and install the NVMe. But before I do that, let's open this up. So I've not opened this up before. There's a little tag there that I didn't notice. Let's try instructions. picture that I read later. And here we are. Here is the NVMe. Now, I didn't notice this angular heatsink. I knew it had a heatsink, but I didn't notice the design of it. So, will my graphics card slot in above this? Let's find out, shall we? Right. Undo the screw. Okay, it's my first time installing an NVMe drive. Let's see how it goes in there. Yep, lovely, lovely. Right, so that installs nice and easily. In. There we go. Now for the all important test. Will the GPU slot back in? Oh, I hope so. What have I got wrong here? Line that up. Awesome. No worries. That fits in. NVMe is installed. So I don't think I have to worry about anything else. That is good. Okay. Yes. Excellent. Okay. I'll get this all put back together and then we'll get it powered on, make sure the NVMe is working. Much easier job than my first video dusting it out. This time I'll actually show you me plugging these back in. Just bear with me. There we go. This one here. Okay, that's that all plugged in. Let's get me a little line in. Place just there. There you go. That's what you see it. Lovely. Oh. Stay there, line. Let's pick you all up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Awesome. Alright, stay tuned for testing of the NVMe. Now that is installed. While we're in a bit of a lull, subscribe to the channel to get updates on new videos. Hit like if you like the video to help our channel grow. On to the testing. Right. There we go, it's booting up. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right. Yes. Hope it's picked up the NVMe. It's the first time I've ever installed one, so I don't actually know if there's anything else I have to do. Let's find that out together. Right, let's just get my password typed in. Let's see, I don't see it. I don't see the NVMe. Okay, right, let's also check. Make sure my graphics card is picked up, because sometimes that messes up when it's uninstalled. Oh, right, it's there. Okay. see if I need to update driver. Okay, so it's showing there. Alright, do I need to check disk? No, that's not it, is it? Oh, it's been a while since I've had to do these things. How am I doing? Let's check. Oh, here we go. Got to initiate it. Oh, right. Okay, right. Just bear with me. Let's have a look. Here, so MBR or nope, GPT format. Even those of us who have been building PCs for a long time, like myself, been building them for 24 years, you run into stuff that you still need to Google, right? Okay, so yeah, it's already on what I want it to be on, which is GPT, which is, if you can read this, for large drives over 2 terabyte. And this is a 4 terabyte drive, whereas an MBR master boot record is for legacy BIOS and smaller drives, less than 2 terabytes. Okay, cool. Let's see. I'm not seeing it up here. Let's go down here, shall we? Ah, here we go. All that time, it's because it's unallocated. Right. Good old Google. Let's get you back again. What are the options? New, simple, volume. I'll look at you. Expand volume. Oh, thank you, Google, to the rescue. Combines free space from all physical drives into one large local. No, I don't want that one then. Stripped volume. Let's have a look, see, shall we? Right, so they're both that, so it's just new simple volume. Nice. Yeah, I want all of it. Ooh. Yeah, I don't have anything assigned to K, do I? Let's have a look. What have I got? I've got C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L. Okay, I'm missing K. K can be the one. Right. Oh yes. I think I want NTF2 because that's not going anywhere. I think exFAT is for your external hard drives. Yeah, not S. exFAT. That's NTFS. exFAT is best for large removable device. Yes, so that's what my external SSD has, which is why Xbox Game Pass doesn't like to install on it. Right, I'll leave it default, and I will name this. Oh, what do I name it? Could leave it a new volume. What it is? This is my Money Pro. 4 terabyte. And next. And finish. Oh, there we go. Nice one. There it is. Awesome. Oh, it's all working. That is great. Went for a little bit of troubleshooting with you, which is awesome. And yeah, next I'll get installing some games on it, and yeah, let's play some. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.